Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
What is going on? Otter gang. Oh, man, what a weekend. You guys are incredible. I see you guys in the Discord crushing it. I mean, wild. You guys are sick nasty with it, you know? Sick nasty. You know the Americans beat us in hockey? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty upsetting. Americans kicking Canadians' asses in hockey, so... Oh, man. Czech Republic beating us in hockey. It's just, the world is going to shit, really. I I said I wasn't going to swear that much today. Damn, I'm already off on a bad start. My God, what's going on, everybody? Good to see you. I hope you're all doing well. Hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful weekend. You know, it's the World Juniors, Matt Eagle. The World Juniors, the under 18s, you know, the young guns. Good evening, Jay Violet. Gang, gang, gang. Good to see you guys. Just watched a documentary about beavers. It was the best damn program I've ever seen. Gotta start it off with the dad joke, obviously. Fear and greed all the way. Climbing back up to 76. It had reset. Are we gonna continue upwards? You guys are hella bullish. You can smell the greed through the microphone. This is a new Shure microphone. It allows me, when I touch the otter. Okay, you see when I touch this otter, if you didn't know, it's an otter. Okay, it's a fuzzy otter stick-on. It's like a scratch and sniff, though. It tells me if there's fear and greed in the markets, okay? Maybe one day I'll have merch and we can have a scratch and sniff otter. What do you guys think? Am I going too far already? It's Monday, baby. Let's jump into it. You gotta have a laugh, man. All right, we all want to get long off of VWAP right now. As we all know, we're just gonna go like this. We're just gonna press buy, and we're all gonna be rich, right? I don't think so. I don't think this is a good idea. All right, I don't think so. Not just yet. Yes, we have mitigated this high up in here. We have pushed up only a little bit into the open. Oh, we'll see how it goes, but you know what? Right now, to me, this is not the best idea, okay? We're hitting VWAP right now, and this could work, okay? So a lot of you guys are probably like, go long, VWAP, let's go, VWAP masters, we're the masters. But what we've done is we've pushed through VWAP aggressively, right? So we're retesting it, which is typically continuation. So yes, you've pushed through, you've come back, you retest, you look for some sort of reaction, and then off we go. If we get a reaction in here, we could look for a long. But my friends, this has been up only for even on the weekend. My God, even on the weekend, up only, just like go gadget, massive push. So as we proceed to give you what you need, we'll see if we can find some key areas, an area where we can take advantage of price action like we always do, constantly crushing the market. Thank you, everybody, for being here. God bless you guys. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. Let me know how your weekend was. Did you trade? Did you touch grass? Did you party? Okay, maybe some of you guys need to release. Maybe you didn't go out for New Year's, and you didn't go out for New Year's, so you needed to get it out this weekend. Okay? I don't know. Whatever you're into, let me know. You guys are incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning to you, Rashad, Jesse, good luck, Airdropper, Crypto Traveler, Matt Eagle. What's going on? Fine. Board PC Guy, good morning to you. The World Defined, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go, Moon Boys, 119932. Good morning to you. That's too many numbers, man. Too many numbers. That's why I always suggest you right-click, you copy price, okay? Right-click, copy price. Whenever you're trying to enter, if you're scalping, you want to limit in or limit out, you got to copy price, man. You can do this on your exchange as well, okay? You copy the price, you paste it into your exchange, and then you're good to go, okay? Make sure you copy that price. None of this sitting here trying to like, oh my God, I got to enter my price. It's going on. You actually have to make that noise while you type in your trade, okay? Okay, you don't want to be doing that when you're trying to make money. You don't want to leave it up to your memory of a snail. What a goldfish? Sorry, wrong animal. The memory of a goldfish to try and remember the price that you do. Just right click. Okay, little tricks, right? Little tricks help you be better. Looks like we're stalling out here, but Bitcoin pushing up. Looking at our, have we gapped? Not really. Okay, this is interesting. As we proceed here on CME futures, we do not seem to have gapped. There is a little gap down below here around 94,000. Okay, but nothing really significant here. So this is good news for us to continue. We'll see. For me, I can't justify getting along here just yet, but we'll go top-down analysis like we always do. We'll watch this. We'll say good morning to everybody. Make sure you are saying good morning. I would really appreciate it. Thank you to everybody tuning in on this beautiful Monday morning. It's always an honor and a privilege to hang out with you guys. So thank you for being here. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Much colder, a witch's titties out here. Yeah, it's like minus 18 today with wind chill in Canada. So bundle up. Get your nice coffee. I got my otter mug. Can you see that? It says, "Dad like no otter." Can you see it? A dad like no otter. Bitcoin orange, baby. I don't know. Mrs. Otter just finds these things. Incredible lady. I'm winning. I'm winning at the game of life, you know? Happy wife, happy life. A dad like no otter. So we got the otter mug today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Wonder Bar, what's going on? Buck, good morning to you, man. Aaron, good morning, everyone. See, he's saying good morning to everyone. That's very kind of you. Vignes Zena, I love the pink hand every morning. Good to see you. Paul Caruso, what's going on? Matt Eagle, Michael, hey, team. We are a team. We are the dream team. Otter gang. What's going on, Mo? Too, Matt Eagle, Tony Soprano, Darren does things, bored PC guy. What's going on, man? Ed Camp, Sniper's Nightmare, Chantel. Good morning to you, Reaper. What's going on? Good afternoon, Jay Violet. It's time to get some sleep, but she just wants to make money. Is anybody getting long off VWAP? Put a 1 in the chat if you're thinking about longing the VWAP. The VWAP. I say VWAP because I'm Italian, okay? I'm allowed to. Don't be racist, okay? What US team? What's going on? Nick, Clay the Great, Jay Violet, Germo. Good morning to you. Donato Cabrera. What's going on, my man? Good to see you as well. Wolf and Bear, good morning to you. Crypto Caveman. I read that as Cyber Caveman, but, you know, you could be a Cyber Caveman as well. Bochensky, what's going on, man? Slam Banjo. Jesse, good luck. Good luck to you, Goldie Crypto. Good to see you as well. Good morning to everybody in here. Been to the cinema with wifeys and kids. Nice. That's always nice. I have not yet taken my boy to the cinema. What do you guys feel about screens? Okay, me and my wife, we don't want to put our kids in front of screens. You know, I feel like that's tell me, is it lazy parenting or am I just being crazy? I don't know. Put a 1 in the chat if screens are okay under the age of 2, and put a 2 in the chat if screens are not okay until they're over 2. I think that's the line. I think 2 years old is the line. What I do here. Good night. Good night to you. Been here in the cinema? Yeah, okay. Jesse, good luck. You guys got to let me know. Screens or no screens? No screens, no screens, no screens, no screens, no screens. I agree. You see these phone zombies, man. You see these kids walking around just looking at phones, man. My kid is not going to be a phone zombie. That is a promise to my son, is that it's horrible. I have the hockey game on and I'll have him here. And I'll be watching the hockey game, and I'm the phone, and I'm the zombie, right? So, but he'll like legit try to fight me in order to look at the screen. It's crazy how like alluring it is for them. It's pretty wild. So we are a no screen family, and it's the fact that like I go out into public, okay, like we all do, and you see a kid that's like, I don't know. It's young. The kid's like 4 or 3. And he sat on the bench and his head is in the phone. Like, this is it. This is the kids this generation. Like, go throw rocks at your sister, man. Go throw rocks at that boy over here. Kick him in the shins and run away or something. You know, have fun. Anyways, that's my take. You're always going to mess up as a parent, but who knows? Who knows? Good morning, Moho. Good morning, Bass Crouton. Jesse, good luck. Peter Gideon. Good to see you, Mark Dutch, my man. My man, Mark Dutch, always in the chat, man. I love you, Mark Dutch, man. You have the beautifulest shoes in all of crypto, man. Good to see you. Mr. Banana Joe, good morning to you. Nonstop take you. Nonstop, thank you. Good to see you as well. The Duckin, Slam Banjo, the Duckin, Jay Violet. Did you just change your picture, Jay Violet? You playing with my mind. Good morning. Minus 25 in Winterpeg. See, there you go. That's why I'm never moving to Winterpeg. Ooh, and the crime in Winnipeg. You guys are violent up there, man. You guys are violent up there. Weekly view up on what, Jesse? Yeah, Jesse loves his weekly, monthly VWAPs all the time. The bird next door. Good morning to you, airdropper, crypto lurker, Jesse Gula, crypto Markel, SMS, Matt Eagle, Anonymous, Dave Digital. He's long from 97.9. Let's go, Dave Digital, my man. Good to see you as well. It's hard to avoid 222. Best decision. Okay, so we got some screens. No screen until 18. Oh, fuck. Cheap vlog. That's a bit ruthless. No screens. Agreed, no screens. 222. 222. Hard to avoid. Okay, 222. 3-year-old daughter gets 1 hour on Sunday only. See, that's like constructive. See, I respect that, Mike. I respect that, man. Over 2. Yeah. Screens are not okay for kids, man. No screens, no sugar, no processed food. Years eating boogers. Let's go, Dave Digital. Let's go. Boogers and mud pies, baby. Boogers and mud pies. No screen. Oh, man. 2. We limit screen time very much. My kids prefer Lego. That's it, right? I want to promote creativity. Keep them off the screens as much as possible. Most of the time, screens are making kids zombies. Only watching, no replies. They can only watch my show. That's it, right? No. I don't want your child to watch my show either. Then my kid's gonna identify as a donkey, and I'm like, dude, you're a beaver. You're Lord Otter King Beaver. You're not a donkey. Okay, you don't go okay, you click buy and sell successfully. Okay. I can't wait to have that conversation with my son. Lazy parents. I'm an optometrist and found that kids shouldn't be in front of screens until they're 7. Look at the love in the chat. You guys are cute, man. We're gonna get Rashad and Mark Dutch a room, man. We all gonna pitch in for Mark Dutch and Rashad, man. Good morning, everybody. All set. Good to see you. Dave Digital. Swipe the videos of kids swiping in the air. Oh my God. That's incredible. Low screens, they need to know tech, but push books, etc. Okay. That's awesome. See, this is why we did not long VWAP, everybody. See, this is why we have a conversation in the morning. We set ourselves up. We're going to do top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here. An incredible parenting crew in here helping me navigate the trials and tribulations of screens for children. Okay? I love just watching him throw shit, eat shit. It's great. It's great. He puked all over me yesterday, and we had a good giggle. It's always good fun, man. It's absolutely incredible to be a father. I didn't think it would be so cool. I mean, the sleepless nights are cool, but this was me. This was me on the weekend. This is Saturday morning. This is why I'm not talking to you guys, man. This is why I'm not talking to you guys. Me and my little man right here, saying good morning. You know, this is the life, man. This is where it's at. I love this guy. Me and my son. Anyways, let's get into it, guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys for your support. And thank you for being here. And let's jump into it. So, top-down analysis. The thing is right now, these long-term time frames, I'm telling you, they look mwah. They look so sexy that I just want to press buy. Not a good idea just yet, okay? Not a good idea just yet. When we go top-down analysis, we flip through our catalog here with Market Cypher. We are sponsored by Market Cypher. Thank you to CryptoFace for always supporting the channel. We do appreciate you. Throw the Market Cypher logo on there for you, man. all the time, man. Market Cipher is king as we roll over here. We got VWAP coming up to the zero line, okay? Money flattening out. We got 4-day, 3-day VWAP crossovers with a green dot, okay? This is VWAP crossover with a green dot. This is all looks juicy, okay? Very juicy. Like the tomatoes my nonna makes, this is the juicy ones, okay? That we are looking for the continuation here on the 5-day, on the 4-day, on the 3-day, and we called the trigger wave back here on the 2-day for you guys all in your swing trading events, okay? And if you took that swing trade back on the Monday when we were talking about this, you would have been up already, a good old 9% or whatever, right? So very, very lucrative push to the upside, okay? Push to the upside. Incredible move. Now, the question is, my friends, when we look at this, okay, have we mitigated this high? For me, I'm going to say yes. You see this high in here, okay? This is a break, a mitigation, a sweep, whatever you want to call it. Now, on Bybit, let's zoom in a little bit here. On Bybit, we have missed it. Okay, but if we go over to, let's see, Bitstamp, have we missed it as well? No, we have hit it. Okay? If we go over to the US dollar one, have we hit it? We have hit it. If we go over to, where's Coinbase? Coinbase, do I have Coinbase? I do have Coinbase. Let's go over to Coinbase. Coinbase, let's zoom in. Has hit it. My God, are we splitting hairs here, guys? Holy smokes, we've hit it. If this is legit, okay? Now we go over to Bybit, and we can see we haven't hit it, okay? We haven't hit it and quit it, okay? So we're still in a relationship on Bybit. So to me, this is kind of lackluster, okay? It's kind of like whale games, it's like Squid Games but for traders, okay? I don't like it because if we have a mitigation of the high in here, okay, if we have that, then we can say that, hey, we are looking for a perfect little retrace and a continuation. Happy days, but we'll have to wait and find out, okay? We'll have to wait and find out. I would like to see a close above here on, a 12-hour, a 4-hour at least, okay? And then we come into all the mega plethora of resistances, okay? We have tons of resistance up here. We have some special levels. We have some key levels that are shared in our Discord all the time. So you guys can take advantage of those if you are in our Discord membership, which is, incredible. It costs you a coffee a day. It's $1 a day, man, where we have absolutely crushed. We crushed virtuals on the weekend. We took the long from down here up to here. That was nice on the weekend as well. And we were looking for the long from $4. I don't know if anyone took it, but I was looking for Bitcoin to come back up here and reclaim VWAP potentially right now. So let's continue through our top-down analysis. So the trigger wave, 2-day, pushing us onwards and upwards. Overextended on VWAP? Not really. Still has some room. 3 white soldiers pushing its way upwards here, which is quite nice as well. So nice look in here, push. Then we go to our daily. This has really been up only. So that's the concern, is that when we look at this, the key is that, hey, we have created liquidity within these lows in here because it's been up only. So there's liquidity all in here. And then there's liquidity back in here. Have we done our full retracement, or are we going to continue and ramp this thing up to Valhalla? Right? That is the question. Well, I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen. All I can say is that if this, then this, right? If this, then this, okay? And if this, then possibly this. Okay, so let's be prepared as best as possible. We try to position ourselves accordingly. Okay, if you did take the swing from down here from last week, congratulations. I would definitely be taking profits. We do have some order blocks in some key areas and a golden pocket within this area up here. So expect a lot of turbulence alongside with our $100,000 resistance. Psychological, right? So we're prepared, but for me, this seems more likely, okay? Just seems more likely. Even if we come back in here and we pull our beautiful volume tool here, and we can see that, even we did come back down and retest our point of control, but there is a nice shelf of volume within this area here that we could come and visit, okay? Right around 95,000, right? If we do that, beautiful retracement, right, and we pull a fib from swing low to swing high, we can possibly look for this thing to come back and retest, golden pocket 0.5 area, somewhere down in this area here, and potentially go for swing long and aim for the fences, baby. Okay, because we want to hit that home run. We like a home run. Looks like we're reclaiming VWAP right now as we speak. So can we continue to push? Absolutely, but I'm leaning more to the kind of a I'm leaning more towards retracement, but a higher low, not a lower low. Now, don't hold me hostage here. I'm here to help. That's why we scalp. Okay, but we always want to do top-down analysis, kind of putting it in our favor, right? Going into the 12-hour, overextended. 4-hour, overextended. Bearish divergence all the way up, right? So we're getting these bear divs in here, whether you like it or not, okay? Whether you like it or not, we're getting bear divs, okay? Money is still coming in. VWAP is resetting. This is still bullish looking. But as we continue to do this, we continue to do this as well, okay? So be cautious because overextension is real right now. Right? We look at the price action on our way up, and we can simply see that this has been up only. And we are looking for this thing to come down and break down within this area. 95,000 would be ideal, as we said, okay? Looking at this 4-hour, toppy, 3-hour. Looks like it's ready to roll over. VWAP flattening out, looking for continuation push here. That's pretty wild looking. The 2-hour here, same thing. Red dot confirmation, but ramping up of our money flow. This is good signals here of continuation. However, once we start to make lower lows, this could be that detrimental move that's going to make you guys all cry, and me as well. I probably will cry because I want just up only, baby. Just like you guys, okay? I am human. I do like up only, where I just press buy and I sit back, make lots of money, and we all just, celebrate. But it's not our job. Our job is to position ourselves accordingly with good risk management in order to take advantage of this price action, okay? And we will continue to do that and hopefully help you guys. Now, I am starting I'm going to start a new video I'm making every day. This is part of my New Year's New Me shit, I guess. I swore again, man. I swore again. I'm sorry. Where I'm going to do a trading journal after my trading sessions, okay? So I'm going to post a recorded video at the end of the day for you guys, reflecting on my trading day, what I saw, what I should have seen, what I didn't see, how I effed up, how I didn't F up, all the losses that have occurred, even though we were 19 for 23 last month. Absolutely. Good job, everybody. Great job. Absolutely crushed it. A beautiful month of returns for us. Well, at least for me. I don't know how you guys manage your risk outside of this show, but I absolutely effing crushed December, even though December was a shitty month. See, December, Bitcoin didn't do shit. We go to our monthly. What did Bitcoin do? December. Nothing burger. It moved down 3%. We made a lot of money on December. We made a lot of money. This is why we love trading, okay? This is why we love trading. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Okay, so pushing up here. We'll see if we can mitigate that high on Bybit because we're all just dangling it around the high over here coming for mitigation here. There is a secret, okay? And I shared this with the Discord, but I'm going to share this with you guys too now. Okay, you guys are privy to the information. This is the secret order block right here. You see this? This beautiful indecision candle. This is the secret, okay? Can we sweep into this order block in here and then reject? Okay, can we sweep and reject? That's what I am kind of looking for, okay? This is the secret, okay? Sometimes you got to scour the earth for a secret little area because the golden pocket resides up here with the highs up here and the liquidity up here, okay? So if we go swing high to swing low and we look at this thing here, we can go swing high to swing low, right, all the way down, and we can see that there's a golden pocket here. There's liquidity here. There is a top here, right? There's an order block here. We can turn on all of our indicator and say liquidity is up here, okay? Everybody is looking at 102. Everybody. Wouldn't it be funny if they came up just in front of it and then ripped it down, okay? That being over here, right? That being over here. Just in front of it, and then boom, Okay? Let's be prepared, right? Be prepared. Secret levels. If you want access to all these secret levels, which aren't secret, you should be able to find these for your damn selves. That's why we're here to educate you as well. That you can join us in the Discord, okay? The Discord is incredible. We still have our sale on. You know what? I don't even know if I'm going to end this sale. I think I'm going to just keep the sale on until I feel like it. What do you guys think? We'll just keep the Discord sale on and keep it pounding because we have an amazing group of traders, amazing trade setups. I mean, I gave the virtual trade setup over the weekend. That was great. I even gave the $4 bounce level for that. If you wanted to, I would tell you if I entered it, but I gave you the $4 bounce level. Guess what? It bounced. It bounced. Who would have thought? Pretty awesome trade setup. As we can see, if we go over to virtuals here, we can see the trade setup before it even happened. Signal given here, came back in, bounced up. Beautiful, whoop. 7% gains. I would say that's quite juicy. Okay. We also have an amazing group of mods. Shout out to the mods: Sniper's Nightmare, Tony Soprano, Mark Dutch, B Team Crypto, Jonathan Schaefer, Lunar Beach Crypto. Okay, a whole bunch of degenerate, amazing otters who will look after you, answer your questions, and just don't. Make sure you ask Sniper and Nightmare the same question about 5 times. He really enjoys it. He's all for your questions. Just go in to the Otter Talk, go at Sniper's Nightmare, okay, and say, hey man, how do you trade H-bar? And he'll tell you, okay? Sorry, bro. I love you, man. But if you do want to join us, it's $1 a day, $30 a month. Amazing group of people. Trade signals by 4 traders. Okay, group coaching calls, all that good stuff. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Even if you don't have the money or whatever, come over to the free section. We have lots of fun in here, and it's always a great community built on kindness. Okay, we're all here to help each other. So don't be a douche canoe. Okay, reclaiming VWAP, bouncing back up, continuation, higher low right now. So we'll see how this continues to react. And let's say hello to the chat. I see some action going on in here. What's going on? Oh my God, you guys are incredible, man. Where did I leave off? This is why I always highlight. Jesse, good luck. Mark Dutch, RS Miller, good morning to you. Jesse, all set, gains for life, crypto, peak gains, anonymous. What's going on? Mark Dutch, Slam Banjo, RS Miller, what's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. Dave Digital. All you need to do is raise a baby in the world with Crypto Billy videos, man. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Can you check Caspa? Caspa is bullish, okay? Bullish. Jessica Luck, John, good to see you. Darren does things, bear divs. Poor highs and lows locally. It's either 100K or 97 coming. Yeah, I agree, Darren. Yeah, pretty wild. Good to see you, Sniper's Nightmare. Paper Planes, my man. OG Blockchain. Melissa, good morning to you. Slam Banjo. David Brambalo. A lot of people in both directions are going to get wrecked. Yeah, I would agree. In my opinion, so much liquidity above and below. Yeah, I agree. Fuat, good to see you, my man. Tony Soprano loves questions as well. Oh, man. Melissa, good to see you. Tony Soprano. Jesse, good luck. Exodus, good morning. Make sure you guys are messaging Sniper's Nightmare. He loves good questions, man. He loves good questions. Alexander. RS Miller with the 10. Gifted. Oh, you gave 20. My guy. Everybody, let's see some RS Miller collie dogs. I don't know what's the name of your dog, RS Miller? I'm going to name, we got the RS Miller puppy emoji, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, RS Miller. God bless you, bro. God bless you. I took it $4 and up only. Okay, let's go. Congratulations. Let's search out the lurkers now. Space Lucy, never seen you before. Gillian, never seen you before. I've seen you, Raphael. Chris, Ashley, I've never seen you. You guys are all lurkers. Why aren't you saying good morning? This is the law. Ape, good morning. Jordan Gamble, let's turn that to Jordan Risk Management. I think we can do better. Good morning, Tony C. I've never seen you before. Are you trying to be the next Tony Soprano? That's a good question. Thank you so much, R.S. Miller, for bringing out the lurkers, man. Golden Wolf, Billy was gifted a membership. Awesome. You know, Billy's already a member in the Discord because Billy supports the channel, Givers Gain. God bless you, Billy. I appreciate you, man. DV, I've never seen you. Sawminator, that's Seaminator. It's very close, man. D. Oz, Mike S. I went there. It's early. I went there. It's early. Good to see you. Mike S. Jeanette, good to see you. I have Freudian slips all the time, man. The problem is I worked construction for 13 years. So, like, the banter is absolutely filth. Like, if you've worked construction, you know. It's just a whole bunch of piggish, slang, rude, swearing, racist. It's bad. It's bad. Okay, let's just leave it at that. So I'm working to unlearn these things, okay? I've only been full-time trading since last August. I've been profitable for over 2 years, but full-time trading since August. So I've been in the industry, in construction, because I am a journeyman carpenter. So I'm still working on that. This thing up here needs a lot of retooling, okay? I may press buy and sell really successfully, and I enjoy it, but it's still, there's a whole bunch of construction bullshit going on in here, right? We used to, like, when we were working and a hot girl would walk by, we would yell plywood, like I would make love to her, right? So we would be working, be like plywood, and then everybody would just look and be like, who's the hot chick, right? Like stuff like that. Plywood, right? It's just crazy. It's crazy. But I'm working on it. Okay, I'm working on it. I'm a married man with a kid, so I have no reason to be a dirty construction worker anymore. Oh man. Can you please look at Pengu? Would like you analysis. So Pengu is off of Pudgy Penguins. Just had a token release. So it's a new token, and I don't think there's going to be that much data or data, whatever you want to call me. You can call me data. That's going to give us a lot of confluence on Pengu. Okay? If you have $500 to trade futures, how would you do that? How much leverage, etc.? So $500, risking 2% per trade, right? Compounding an account, right? Very simple. Just figure out this, figure out your risk. What's 2% of $500? That's what you should be risking per trade. Okay, that should be your risk here. All the smart people tell them what 2% is of $500. You should be risking that amount to make, hopefully, 3x that amount. Be happy with 2 if you're new to trading. 2 to 1. 2 to 1 is a great ratio. I typically hit like a 2 to 1 for a full trade because I'll take profit early and guarantee. Okay, which is fine. I'm always aiming 3 to 1. Sometimes a 3 to 1 will turn into a 5 to 1 if I let it win. Let it run, sorry. But yeah, you should be starting slow if you're not confident with that. And if you don't feel like it's satisfying to make whatever, $5, $10 per trade. That's where I started. I traded a $1,000 account for my first year of trading. After paper trading. Okay? And I did it wrong. I didn't have anybody say, do it this way. Figure it out. I asked Sniper's Nightmare. 150x leverage, 125x leverage, fucking blowing up accounts, all that shit, man. It wasn't right of me to do it, but that's the way I did it because no one really said, hey, man, give your head a shake, bro. You're gambling. You're not trading, right? Good morning, Joshua, Paul Caruso. Good morning to you guys. Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. No trades so far. This is coming back to test VWAP. We'll see. We're starting to flag out here. I don't like this price action right now. We'll see how We'll see how the price reacts. Good morning, Maureen. Good to see you. Traveling Studios, Jesse Galluck. Good to see you. Fam, what's up? What's going on, Deck? Good to see you as well. Josh the man, good to see you, man. Good morning to you, Traveling. Good morning. Mr. Hockey, good morning. All he sees is otters because the otter gang is everywhere. Once you see the otter, you cannot unsee it because we are utterly fantastic. Okay? See there, Sniper's Nightmare is giving you the $5 stop loss, right? $10, $5 stop loss. Ban immediately. Everybody message Tony Soprano. He has the power. Construction is the best. Oh, yeah. I know you. I'm too old to understand what membership is all about, but thank you nonetheless. Thank you for being here, Tim. Tim, you're not old. All you do is membership allows you to post emojis. That's it. They're cheap. It's just emoji friendly. You get to be part of the gang. You get to put otters in the chat. You get to put Dave Digital's or Tony Soprano's or Sniper's Nightmare. Okay, his favorite. Thanks to Alex for not banning me. Never. I won't ban you. That would be Nick Musgrave, Sniper's Nightmare, Mark Dutch, Tony Soprano. They're very good at banning people. I leave it to them. I trust their judgment. Even if it's skewed, it's not as skewed as mine. Because let's be real, okay? In the moderators chat, we have votes on how long. I give away prize money. We have started this thing. Should I tell them, guys? Where I give away prize money to how long? We'll give somebody like 4 days, 5 days, 10 days, whatever. We'll bet on how long they last. It's not good. It's probably unhealthy, isn't it? We have fun, though. We're going to have lots of fun this year with all these new people coming in. But, Robert Jones likes plywood. That's the one, man. Yeah, man. Plywood. Always admire that Alex comes across as an honorable man. I appreciate you, Quasim. I'm just here trying to trade, trying to make money, trying to help people make money. And just be honest, just be myself. That's it, man. That's it. Look at all these legends in here. Morning, Alex at BingX. When you open position, how much get fees? So I switched from BingX to MexC recently. I traded on BingX for quite a long time. So BingX obviously has a little bit more fees. You got to Google how much you should know how much your maker and taker fees are, okay, on the exchange. But MexC would probably be cheaper. But BingX still has good liquidity and some good price action as well. Good morning, Robert Jones. Good to see you. Jesse, good luck. Maureen, non-fungible. Tony, good to see you as well. $10. See, these guys are good at math, man. You guys are incredible. He was a full degen, but learned how to be a profitable long-term eventually. It's absolutely true. Sniper's Nightmare knows how degen I used to be. Only trading altcoins, 100x leverage, getting liquidated. Always showing my P&L cards. Dude, I made $40. Look at this, 200x leverage. Oh, man, full degen. Full degen. That's why we were the Otter Gang, man. We were total degens, man. Having fun, learning how to trade. Hola, neighbor. Good to see you, Melissa, J. Violet, Robert Jones, Jessica Luck. All these people in here are great people, man. Are you in a long right now? No long right now. We're waiting. So for me right now, we're getting bullish divergence here. This does look a little bit strong. We'll see if it does want to continue. Whew. Into market open. I want to see this high mitigated. Okay, that's what we kind of established this morning going into this right here. So it's been up only, right? Liquidity created in here, right? Very, very clear liquidity all the way up through here. So can we come back and retrace into this 95? That would be ideal. I would like to see if we close above this high in here, right? If we get a nice, 4-hour candle close in here, then come back down into here and then we go. Okay, that would be ideal. We have our key level that we are looking for price to come up in and tap. We'll see if we do tap it. up in here, right? We've identified that area here. Special, like all of you people in here who have smashed the like buttons, and those who haven't, okay, those who haven't, maybe you don't mind giving that like button a little smash for me. That would be greatly appreciated. And subscribe if you are new. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading this constantly. Last week we were I think we were 3 for 4. We sat one day out, 3 for 4 last week. Remind me if you guys remember. I'm pretty sure we were 3 for 4 last week on trading. So a good trading week, 3 for 4 is good enough for me. And we hit some absolute bangers last week. I mean, some great trades. So that was good fun yesterday. We caught some like really sneaky VWAP trades. I remember this one here. Okay, this was such a good catch. This was like Pokemon. Like when we caught this one over here. Where was it? VWAP here. This was on the live. That was good. We waited. We got the VWAP retrace. Remember this? And then bang, we took that long right off the low there. Perfect entry. Incredible trade. So we've taken some amazing trades recently. So 3 for 4 and 3 for 4 in this environment where it's wreck city. Makes me happy. That makes me happy. So we're doing pretty good. We're managing risk is the number one thing, right? I can come in here and I can take 3 losses, no problem. Right, and I can either scalp my way back to break even, or I can make it one good solid trade that is going to cover that loss. That's the key, right? If we're not in here managing your risk, you're really gonna wreck yourself, man. So make sure you guys are using good risk management. We're quick traders. We're looking to take, we would like 1%, but we're gonna be paying ourselves early and trying to get as much money as we can, guaranteeing our profits, putting stop loss to entry, all those good things throughout the day. So thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing up those likes. We got 300 people in here, 94 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Tima, KuCoin listing coming up. Let's go, Robert. Should be bullish then. KuCoin listing bullish? Yeah, absolutely. 3,800 past week. That's Otter Magic. Let's go, Robert Jones. Awesome job, bro. That's it, man. Good job, man. I love seeing people win. I love seeing you guys crush it in the charts, whether it's making $10, whether it's making $1,000, whether it's making $3,000, right? It's all relative. Now I'm looking to make 900 a day. Keep the doctor away, 900 a day. For me, that works out great. Good old, and it's for me 900 a day USDT. Okay, you could do the math, but 900 US to CAD. I mean, it's $1,300. Okay, so it's I always got to remember the conversion rate. It's nice getting paid in USD. So thank you everybody for being here. Let's see what else we can find here. You guys are absolutely crushing it. Melissa, you have a twin in here. RS Miller, World Defined. Good to see you all in here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for saying Happy January 6th. What is Happy January 6th? Is it like isn't there like a second Christmas that comes soon for is it Orthodox? I'm not sure, but God bless you guys. Hopefully you guys are all happy as well. We'll see very choppy price action this morning. Nothing that I'm interested in. Okay, so we have a golden pocket below us. We have this sell zone. So if we come up in here and we start diverting, okay, this is going to be sell it down to Valhalla. Or if we do come back into anywhere here, liquidity, buy levels, we have, I would say 95,000 is my key level. Okay, if we do come back into this area here, we do have a key buy level here, swing high to swing low. Golden pocket, there is a nice bit of volume chunk down here that we identified at the beginning of the stream too. If we're pulling this over here, we can see that we have this last little chunk of volume here that could hold us up. Okay, but we're really range bound, and we have gotten on top of this big chunk of volume. So 98,500 is going to be very good support. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, 98,400, and I do believe I have that as a support and resistance level. Okay, throwing that on here, we can see 98,400 coming in just below us here. Okay, 98,000. So we don't have a support level here, but we do have a box that we are looking for, okay? And then acceptance back into the range right around 98,000 down in here. So we'll see how price materializes today. Right now, this is looking bull flaggy. We'll say bull flaggy if we want to be technical or whatever, but we can see that we are flagging out here, leaving liquidity below us. So can we continue upwards? We'll have to wait and find out, right? Thank you, everybody, for smashing up those likes. We're now at 105 likes, 315 views. Chart's looking a little bit messy. Let's get into our shorter term time frames. Let's see if we can find a trade today and hopefully crush it. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being here. So we are going to start doing like a reflection video at the end of the day. Starting, I think a trading journal is so important, right? Like if you're not documenting our trades, okay? So we took this long here. This was a great trade. Okay, we took this. That was on Thursday. Did we take anything on Friday? I can't remember. It was up only, right? Up in continuation. I'm not sure if we took long here, but reflecting on price action. And what we can see is when we reflect on price action, it's really going to allow us to understand the environment. I think is so important, right? So like since Christmas, so if we go back to Christmas here, we put a vertical line. Since Christmas, right? Obviously we had our big roll down here, wrecking everybody. Everybody's crying, right? And then since then, it's been really a liquidity grab, like shit show, where price action has absolutely just wrecked everybody throughout this, right? We can see that this volatility has been detrimental, right? If you're new to trading and this is what's going on, like if this is your price action, you're going to get wrecked unless you have one, good risk management, but two, a strategy and a taking profit strategy as well, right? So the environment is so important. Yes, we are going up only. Everybody down here is like super, super sad, right? We got super, super sad. And now up here, we're super, super glad, right? So and we've only moved up 9%, right? We've only moved 9%. Total 3 is looking better. Everybody's like, okay, we're still back on. If we come back down to here, okay, everybody's going to be like, okay, bull market's over, right? And it's like, it's so emotional for people. And we as traders, we cannot be emotional. We need to be level-headed. We need to, and what really makes us level-headed is having that strategy, taking advantage, having setups that we have back tested, right? You need to back test. You need to reflect. You need to journal. You need to say, hey, man, what did I do right here? What did I do wrong? Did I take profit too early? Could I have stayed in this trade, right? In reflection of that previous trade that I'm talking about here on the VWAP retest, not only was there one trade, but there was 3 trades off of VWAP. 1, 2, 3, okay? This one, very successful. Great trade. However, stop my live stream as we typically do at 10. There was another re-entry. I stopped trading for that day. So 1, I could have kept trading and possibly looked to long VWAP yet again. Stop loss below the low would have been successful. However, what I did identify is that as soon as we dumped here, I did not want to play in this market because this market was chop city. Okay, this is not fun to trade in because it's very impulsive. You see stalling out, and very quick liquidity grabs, okay? If you're on the wrong side of this, you're wrecked 4 times. Okay, that's the problem. Is if you're going long for continuation here or long any one of these highs, if you're going for a breakout, like a breakout continuation trade like that, right? Breakout continuation trade like that, right? You're just trying to get into the retest and the continuation out, the retest and the continuation out. Right? A lot of people trade like that. You're wrecked. Okay? So these can be very, very difficult when you're trying to trade like a continuation trade. So in reflection, you need to definitely say, hey, man, it was a good job that I stayed out of those trades that day, right? If you're not doing that, you're not analyzing those things, you're probably going to end up worse off, right? Your account's probably going to go down rather than up, right? We could have got long off of this VWAP here, but still not convinced, right? Holding VWAP, push back in, holding VWAP, trying to push out right now. We'll see if we do get that continuation here. Fair value gaps above us here, retesting previous lows. Lower high, okay, so we have a lower high coming in right now. So this could be more of a downtrend beginning. If we mitigate this high coming up in here, and come up into here, we can look for the bearish divergence and take this down, okay? Or we can look for this to continue to push and look for a continuation trade throughout here. It's only 8:52, and we have a busy week in front of us. Looking here at our economic calendar, what do we see, right? For me, it's leaning more towards the end of the week, which will be crazy important, which is our non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate coming through, okay? So we can see here we have nothing today, but tomorrow we do have JOLTS and ISM services, so that will be interesting at the end of our stream, so around 10 a.m. And then the FOMC minutes is being released on Wednesday. Thursday, nothing but the unemployment non-farm payrolls coming in. You remember they said jobs are very important right now, so Friday will be a doozy. So we're prepared for that as well. So a lot of things in the way, a lot of things to wait for, and then obviously Trump getting in at the end of the month. Lots of wild times in front of us, and hopefully altcoin season does continue to rip. Alex O'Crypto want to gift 5 members for a month to the Discord fam. Robert Jones, my man. Can you explain what is a fair value gap? Fair value gap is just when price moves aggressively through an area and then there's a gap created between wicks. So you just have like this, if we take off VWAP here, right? So you get gaps within here, right? And there's fair value gap. So that would be your fair value gap. Okay? Right? If you're looking at short-term time frames, right? Fair value gap that I just pointed out, 3-minute time frame, right? So you have gaps between these candles in here, right here and here. Here's your fair value gap. Okay? Coming to fill that. Look at this push, man. Look at this push. Could have got long off VWAP, right? Feeling the FOMO now? I am. No, I'm not feeling the FOMO. Come on, guys. Come on, guys and gals. One of these, I was watching a trading video about this guy supposedly. I don't know. Some of these people I question who are on YouTube, successful trader. But he says treat your trading like you got, 3 rocks, right? 3 rocks, 3 trades a day, whatever, 3 trades a month, 3 trades a week, right? And you want to make them count, right? You don't want to just be willy-nilly, oh, I think it's going to go that way. Oh, I think it's going to go that way. Right? You want to make them count. And for me it's like I have a 3 loss rule for the day, so I could take 3 losses and that's me. But also I do like taking I probably take 2 trades a day, 2 to 3. But I do like that concept of quality versus quantity, right? So Robert Jones wants to give away some memberships, right? Ooh-wee. So I'm not sure how I'll have to talk to you and set that up. Maybe we can do a giveaway. Tomorrow or something. Because then we'd have to we'll have to figure out the money version of that and then give them away if you want to give away 5 memberships to the Discord. An amazing Discord though. You're too kind, Robert Jones. I do appreciate your kindness, man. It's nice having you in our Discord. Built on kindness, right? I mean, I love seeing people win. I love seeing people, find success, find a strategy, share that strategy, try to help others, right? It's pretty incredible. What's the special zone? Just a sub. So the special zone is a 1-hour order block above us. It also is a psychological level, 100,000, right? Crypto Billy in the chat. The Feast of the 3 Kings. That's Game of Thrones, right? New to the channel. Hi, Alex. Welcome, Elaine. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. We always say good morning here. We always say what's going on. And we also say Otter gang, gang, gang. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Looks like we are getting a push in here. Okay, for me, No trade yet. We wait. Trading is waiting, which is part of the game. Part of the game always. But we will find something as we typically do. We do like to wait till market opens. So we come on here, we make a plan, try to trade the plan. Okay. 1 month ag- one 1 month ago in the otter or what? Let's go. Otters always win. So we'll have to figure that out. Robert Jones, I'll message you in Discord if you want to do that. I can't wait for the dipper. You got to wait for the dipper, man. He wants to give premium Discord. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Maureen. Good morning, Billy. Good morning, Michael. You old fox and FOMO. Good to see you all in here. What's going on? Show me your socks. Billy, I just washed those socks. They're in my drawer. I'll wear them tomorrow. I'll wear them tomorrow just for you, okay? A man of my word. Tomorrow we're wearing the otter socks, okay? Because you are utterly so fantastic and generous, man. I appreciate you, man. You do so much. Got to start blabbing more in the Discord. Yeah, man. How's your igloo holding up? It's fucking cold. I swore again. Man, I swore again. We're going to start a swear jar on the Dixie now. We're doing it. Okay, unacceptable. I had an jar because I was saying too much. Ask Billy. I used to say like a Buddhist monk. Look at the dollar dropping. Okay, so we're going to start a USDT swear jar. Swear jar. Count. Here we go. I've said shit 3 times, and I've said the F word. We're going to start this off at 25 USDT because you know what? We're starting it. We're starting it. You potty-mouthed man. Oh, man. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Trying to be a professional here. I'm not trying to be a professional. I just want to be a good person, right? Swearing is not a quality. You know, if you swear less often, when you do swear, it's more effective. That's what my grandmother told me. Okay? So watch your mouth, but also when it's needed, you can, bust a move, right? And then people listen. People listen. Okay, we're gonna look at the NQ here. We'll take a look at the SPY as it opens up this morning. Thank you everybody for being here. 315 people in here. Should have taken the VWAP trade, right? Should have taken it. Alex O'Crypto, you slouch, man. You're a slouch. You should have taken the VWAP trade. We would have been already up 0.4. Okay, this to me is not where I wanted to trade. We'll see if it do want to come back into here. And hopefully we can take a little bit of an advantage of the price action. Thank you, everybody, for smashing them likes. I see those likes going up. 120 likes here, 313 people here. Come over to the Discord, hang out with us. We have been crushing it as a community. If you do want to take it further, I mean, Robert Jones looking to give away some memberships. It's $1 a day. It's $1 a day, keeps the doctor away, keeps you guys in check. And I mean, great setups, great people. I think I told Billy last night for you guys to long virtuals at $4. That would have been a beautiful trade for you guys. But you guys are incredible. Billy Goat Tales, an amazing show, amazing people live on Tuesday nights, which is awesome. I did say virtuals $4 on the Billy Goat Tales last night. Always just trying to sneak one in there. Sneak one in there. You know how it is. Getting a little bit toppy here, so we'll see if we do get divergences in here, trying to push price down. No short trade yet. I'm looking higher for the short trade. We'll see if we get it. Okay. Patience will prevail. We have a plan. We're trying to execute that plan. We did top-down analysis. Now, what is our take is that whenever we look at top-down analysis, yes, the daily, the 2-day, the 3-day, the 4-day, they all look hella bullish. They all have this upturning VWAP, green dot, bullish momentum to the upside, trying to continue, right? Trying to continue and trying to push back into the beautiful euphoric uptrend, okay? Trying to get above and beyond. However, there's still a little bit of turbulence that we need to get through, right? We also identified that, hey, when we get above this high here, then we can look for the retrace and continuation. Not if we get rejected right now, like double top from here, we could go lower than this low here at 91,000. Okay, this could scare the living poop out of people. Okay, so for me, everything is pointing in the right direction, which is up, but I want to be level-headed here, right? The 4-hour bearish divergence, 3-hour coming in here, getting a bit overextended. 2-hour, same thing, overextended to the upside. Now we're getting a green dot. Okay, so this thing can stay up in here for quite some time, as you can see in here. Like even though we came up and topped here, right? Just a mini example. We came up, topped here, right? We reset and then we went again for another double top, right? So we can reset and go again for a double top, right? We can do this and then go, right? So we'll have to wait and see how it materializes today, but thank you, everybody. This is all good in the hood, and we'll see if we do get a trade today. Let's check the chat. So a lot of you guys are saying, the fam has been good to me. That's all. Oh, thank you, man. I won last time, Jay Violet. Yeah, we have like a lot of, I think Jay Violet won. I think there's been repeat offenders, man. Repeat offenders. Some people got some horseshoes up their butt. Good morning, Lunar Beaches Crypto, my brother, man. Good to see you, LBC, in the place to be. God bless you, bro. Hope you're doing well. Minus 22 today. Yeah, it's minus 18 over here in Canada. So if the internet swearing is a tough one, good luck, sir. Hey, man. I don't remember. yeah, Billy. yeah, bro. Biddy will push hard today. Yeah, I expect some institutional FOMO on a Monday. I expect some institutional FOMO. We'll see. Lunar Beaches, what's going on, man? How is your holidays, man? I'm sorry we never got together for a stream. But we will reconvene, my man. It was my son's first Christmas, man. Super busy. Had the family over, you know how it goes, man. How's the new house? See, Lunar Beach is crushing it. Got a new house for the family, expanding his horizons. Now we need that Bitcoin money, baby. Let's go. Let's see if we can get that Bitcoin money. This looks like continuation to me. Maybe get a little retrace back into here. Okay, NASDAQ looking strong this morning, pushing up quite aggressively. Okay, looking strong. You got that beautiful, I don't know what kind of pattern this is. This isn't a pattern. This is just money coming in and buying up the price, right? A lot of liquidity created here, but for me, this has been a very much up-only move. And looking to break out here again on the NASDAQ. So strong on the NASDAQ. We can expect strength on the S&P. Look at the ES, same thing. So the S&P has yet to do the curly thingy that the ES has done here. Okay, so we can expect strength on the S&P. So typically we want to position ourselves for probably a scalp long into our key area here. But for me, I want to wait till market open and see what happens with the reaction here. We're not making a higher high here. We're coming back down, grabbing some of these gaps in here. We'll see if we do come and roll over here. Maybe a triple bottom over in here. We can look for that as well. Maybe VWAP comes into here as well. We'll see how that materializes, okay? Trading is waiting, okay? We want to see the volume come in. Volume's pretty even, which is good. This is strength. For the move, but also choppy, right? Choppy, so patience will prevail in these kind of situations. Just from my experience, I just don't, especially on a Monday, you don't want to, you don't want to rush a Monday. Okay, a Monday, people are getting back to work. Some of them are grumpy. Some of them are happy. I love work, man. So I mean, I come on here, and I still every now and then when I start up the stream, it happened a little bit this morning, where I get like a little bit of butterflies when I'm starting up the stream because it's like. It's not that I'm nervous because I sit here and talk to you guys all day. It's not that I'm nervous. It's just that like I care, I care to try and do a good job. I think, if I didn't feel that, I don't know how to explain it. You guys know what I mean. I don't get it like extreme, like where I'm like nervous, but it's like I get excited, but it's also nerves at the same time, and I think it's because I care, right? It's like I want people to succeed. I want to do a good job, and I think that's the joy of it, right? I didn't get this like let's go when I was going and building a house or throwing up some concrete slabs or whatever it was when I was in construction. I get excited for this, right? And it's that it tells me I'm doing the right thing, but it also tells me that it's a privilege to be here with you guys and try to do our best. This is not an easy task, but it's hella fun. It's hella fun. And little roll over here, order block in here, VWAP here, holding this area. So there is liquidity up at the high here. We could come for it. We could be looking for this if we wanted to rush things. We have about 20 minutes till market opens. No big news until, well, not big news, but we do have jobs tomorrow at 10. So we'll see how the market opens. We'll definitely look to take advantage of any sort of price action in here. I need to go get more coffee. I got a pot on though. So I don't have to use the giant mug. When I use the giant mug, it's like lifting weights. Good morning, Jeanette. Good to see you. Good show last night. Lunar Beaches crypto. Awesome, bro. NASDAQ bullish. Let's go. Speaking of cold, I'm working on the snow today, yeah? Yeah, man. It's freezing here in Canada. It's minus 18. There is no stop loss. There is no second best. Getting sick of not having a stop loss. We'll make this short my mistake in trading on Coinbase because I can put a stop loss TP leverage in perpetuals. Is Bybit a good platform? I'm in the Baltics. Yeah, man. Just if you're new to trading, man, I'm sure your exchange, whatever one you're using, has paper trading. Go into paper trading and learn how to use your exchange. There's nothing better than paper trading, learning all the buttons. Click all the buttons, man. Go in there and click all the buttons, post onlys, all your market trigger isolated, cross leverage. All right. Make sure you're always using isolated, please. All right. BioMex, what's going on, brother? Good to see you in the chat, bro. Hope you're doing well. God bless, bro. It's a Brontosaurus pattern. Yes, I see it. R.S. Miller. I see it. Wait, NASDAQ. Why am I on S&P on both? The NASDAQ. I see it. All it needs is the head. It's Littlefoot, man. And he's running through the valley. That's pretty good, Littlefoot, right? How did I do? You know what we got to do, though? There's got to be an otter riding Littlefoot, right? Yeah, boy. Yeehaw. Oh, man. Art attack, baby. For those who are new, subscribe to the channel. Come on, man. Come on. You won't get me in trouble, Miller. Coming back to retest VWAP here. If we break this low, I'm looking for a short. Resetting here down on our 3-minute, 12-minute toppy. Okay. toppy here. Money coming out, looking a little bit bearish. So careful here. Careful here. No trade. No trade coming back down on here. Double top. Remember liquidity below us, man. If we come into here, that would be good. We can be looking for the long, but we need to look in the right place, okay? I do have a key level here for a bounce at 98.5, okay? We'll see if we do come back down. If we come back down to here, that would be great. We'll swing high to swing low to swing high. Golden pocket 786 area. There's lots of volume, okay? There's a big volume shelf here that if we do break down, I would look for potential bounce, okay? That would be a nice flag, right? Nice flag. Continuation pattern coming back down. Reckon this to me is, weekend Asia pump, fair value gap in here, okay? Asia pump, building up longs in here, only to wreck them, and then maybe we go, okay? To me, longing here is pretty risky. You definitely have a tight stop loss if you're in this kind of idea of we could go from here. Not saying we won't. I'm just saying this down here would be more ideal. It's the VWAP, right? It's always the VWAP that's going to give us cause for the idea to long, right? Like, this is a valid trade setup, right? But for me, it's like we're at the very top of, this is premium price action up at the top here, right? Discounts very far below us, right? We want to be longing discount. Our supply is above us, and we've pretty much tapped that supply. Now we're heading down, right? So we want to be level-headed in a situation such as this, where this would probably be a B setup, not an A+ setup. Okay, this is solely based off of a couple higher lows and VWAP holding. That's it, right? That's maybe a confluence and a half. That's not stacking confluences, right? We don't have a buy level golden pocket area, You could justify it, right? But to justify is to rationalize, risking money. Are you going to rationalize risking your money? Are you going to bet on Seabiscuit, or are you going to bet on, the donkey? I don't know. Ask yourself. Probabilities, baby. Holidays were great. House has sent me to the next level. Kind of crazy. First mortgage payment this month. Pray for me. Oh, I got the prayers. The prayers are there for you, bro. Always. You know that. You family, man. Melissa, BioMex, Maureen, CBC reporting Trudeau to step down. Let's go. Hallelujah. Let's go, baby. Thank God. Thank God. What is the volume indicator you use? Which one are you talking about? The one down here? This one here? This is just volume, baby. The thing is that my volume is the same color because you don't have green and red volume. That's not right. Volume is volume. It's not bullish volume. Look at this rollover here. Rollover here, pushing price down, wrecking these VWAP longs, aggressive push through VWAP. Will it bounce back? If it bounces back, we can be looking for the long. Coming into these lows here. Rolling over. This would be our trend line. Hold. Bounce back. If it bounces back, we can get long. This is why we don't long VWAP off of small confluence, okay? That's the obsolete. Coming into our buy level down in here. This is mitigated. There. We're looking at 98.5 now. 98.5. $98.5 coming down. Coming down, mitigating this low down here. Bullish divergence. 98.5, looking 98.5. Let's see. Rolling over. Rolling over, trying to mitigate this low right now. Trying to sweep this low. Grabbing liquidity. Continuation. Nice rollover here. Little pushback. Little pushback. Looking to possibly get long here if we do push down one. Looking at 98,450. We could jump in here though. Patience. Market open in 13 minutes. Let's not forget that. Okay, NASDAQ rolling over a little bit here. Lots of liquidity to the downside here for NASDAQ. Remember we said building up longs in this area here. If we're going to bounce, it's going to be here. Trading is waiting. No trade yet. No trade yet. Still looking around 430. We'll see. 430 right around here. Patience. Shout out to everybody in here. Thank you guys for being here. God bless you guys. We're getting a volume spike to the downside here. This is why we did not get long off VWAP here. That's the tease, right? Patience will prevail as it continues to roll over. We do have liquidity in the lows down in here. We do have a bigger buy level down below as well. We'll see. This will be our first stop in the road. We'll see if we do. We're coming down to mitigate this low as we speak right now. Putting in a lower low. Looking for that bullish divergence on like a 10. You know, getting that bull div in here like this. That bounce out of here. That beautiful flag in here, okay? Rolling over right now as we speak, right? Rolling. Money flow rolling. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. 330 people in here live trading with Alex O Crypto. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Looking down in here, we'll see if we do get it. If we do get that little bounce, we want to see the bounce, baby, bounce. We are favoring longs. We are in an uptrend. Okay, this would be our significant low if we were mapping out lows. I missed that low with the magnet tool. Okay, trapping longs up here. It's interesting. We'll see if we do continue to roll over here. 15-minute coming out here. Trigger waves, anchor trigger waves. Okay, pushing us down right now. We got 24-minute here. Yeah, trigger waves as well. Okay, pushing down lower now as we proceed. Coming into our bounce level. That's a very aggressive candle, so we don't necessarily want to just trade this willy-nilly. We want to trade this with some sort of conviction, right? So, and what I will do is I'll keep my limit order down here of my position size, like way down here, and I can drag it back into position if I need to. And then I'll have my market order set as well to get in if it does run away from me. Okay? Couple ways to trade it. Coming back, revisiting the lows here. No full bounce yet. What's the NASDAQ saying? Flat. We'll see how the S&P opens. We have 10 minutes until market opens, friends. No trade yet. Aggressive little push down here, though. Coming and grabbing lots of liquidity in here of these guys. Sweeping these lows in here. Okay. Nice volume spike. Pushing back up. Okay, pushing back up. Will this continue to push? This to me is flagging out, looking to roll over. We could come up here into VWAP and get rejected as well. That could be a potential short. If we come into here and reject. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. If you are new here, subscribe. We'd love to have you. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 till 10 a.m. Incredible community. We have a Discord as well if you do want to join us, take your trading a little bit further. We'd love to have you there. No trade yet. We do have a holiday sale I don't think I want to end the sale though. I think I just want to keep the sale on forever. I mean, I don't need to charge you guys more, do I? We here crushing the trades anyways. 350 people in here. Thank you for being here. This looks like a continuation rollover here. Let's go in the 1 minute just to kind of see. We got double bottom in here. Bullish divergence. Yeah, as expected. Okay, a little bit of bottoming structure in here. Looking to push back. VWAP resistance in front of us to the upside. Well, I would like to see lower. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. Just means that I would like to see it. How we all feeling? Are we going to get long here? Are we going to get short? What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat for a long. Put a 2 in the chat for a short. Alex, what do you think with $20? Which altcoin is best to buy spot? The one that you do the most research on and the one that you feel like is safe enough to your level of risk management. That's the one. NASDAQ dumping. Okay, let's go. 50-minute before blast off. Let's go. RS Miller in the chat. Thank you, man, for being here. Robert Jones, RS Miller, all the like, I guess we call you guys the locals. You guys are the locals. You guys are family, man. It infuriates me that exchanges automatically by default set trading to cross. Yeah, absolutely. You have to change every single one to isolated, one by one. Why would anyone in their right mind choose to trade cross, right? That's what wrecked me when I was a new trader. My first trade, I shorted Bitcoin on the Terra Luna collapse. Okay, I shorted Bitcoin I was up on my $1,000 degenerate account. I was up 10, 11 grand, and then I shorted Solana, and I got liquidated on Solana and on Bitcoin, and I lost all my money. That was my first, and that was because of cross, right? So, lesson learned. Right? Really quick. Melissa, oh my God, that's crazy. That's crazy. Coming down here, rolling over, continuation trade here. All right. Retest of the highs. Continuing to fall. Still looking here. Haven't entered yet. 370 people in here. God bless you guys. Monday morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribe if you're new. Incredible. Thank you. Thank you, guys. We're constantly trading this. Make sure you say good morning. Hit the like button. Patience is key, says Jesse. Absolutely. Cross margin is terrible. Yeah, I would say that. Melissa knows. She's an OG. Okay, getting a bounce here, pushing back up here. A little bit of a push back here. You can see market ciphers looking okay here. Bullish divergence here at the lows. Might want to consider a long here. Okay, we're getting a bullish divergence in here. Okay, we can see this hidden bullish on the 3 minute. Might be the push up that we want. 5 minutes till market opens. Okay, this to me right now, this looks like this. However, if we start getting some strong price action in here, we can look to take the higher low and possibly get long. Okay. We have mitigated this low. We haven't taken this low completely yet. We've just swept liquidity. We haven't closed below it. That's why I am looking a little bit lower for this to hold. Nice little pushback here. NASDAQ rolling over, just like Bitcoin just did, retesting previous highs, looking for a continuation trade here. Might want to get long on Bitcoin now. We got that bull div. I'm still looking at 98.4, 98.380-ish. We'll see how the S&P opens up this morning. It's obviously going to gap up and probably come down, right? We can expect a gap up and then a retracement down and then a continuation. That might be the one for the S&P today. We'll see what we get. Bitcoin pushing back here into VWAP. Let's see how it reacts here. If we get resistance off VWAP and a retrace back down with a confirmed bullish divergence, we can be looking for the long. Okay, so something like this, where we come up, reject, come back in, right? Bullish divergence on a short-term trade. All right. Nice bull div here as well. Yeah, I do like this for a push. Push up into these highs. Remember, that's what we're looking for. Considering getting long shortly. Just want to do it with good risk management, right? Getting in here, you're kind of buying the top, right? You don't want to be buying no tops. Okay, continuation, push here. Okay, so absorption here, volume decreasing after a push down and a liquidity grab. Okay, so that shows that the bears were not really in strength. They had to use a lot of volume in order to sweep the lows in here. Rejection off of VWAP right now is what we're looking for. We could take the short here, but to me, this is price is moving up with low volume, which is, in my opinion, this tells me that it wants to continue upwards. Not something I'm taking just yet, just waiting. If we close up through here with strength, we close through here and we retest, we can get long off of that. Okay, very easy trade as well. Just a battle here, chopping between VWAP. Always zoom out, right? Always zooming out. Got that little bull div in here. That looks good. Looks good, but big roll over here. NASDAQ. Is it bouncing up? If NASDAQ wants to bounce, S&P, I want to see the gap on the S&P. We only got 1 minute to see what happens here. I think this will give us a better idea of where price wants to go this morning. Little rejection here off of VWAP here. 1 minute time frame. See, you see push down, failure to push down, sweep into here, right? Lower volume up into VWAP. See what we get here. Just want to watch they've definitely wrecked these people who are getting long up here. They've wrecked them with that shoot down, but is that enough for them to justify pushing up from here? You have a nice gap in here. Something like this and then go would be more ideal. I'd be very more comfortable, much more comfortable longing within this area here. This to me is, a little bounce that he hears. I wouldn't say it's a fake out, but it's giving people some hope that we can continue upwards. I'm myself included. We got to watch the hopium, right? Always watch the mindset. That's why I love talking through this with you guys. Got market open happening right now. There's our gap up that we called. Okay, gap up to push back down. It's what we think could happen, but we got that beautiful Stegosaurus pattern that we have identified. So we have pushed up, rolled over, retraced. Okay, kind of building an equilibrium. If we're looking at where the S&P is right now, the ES has done this, right? Has gone up. Gap up here. NASDAQ still fighting, rolling over. This is a lot of liquidity in here, friends. So be careful of anytime you see price doing this. Okay, always cautious. And we've seen that on Bitcoin all the way across the board. Rolling over here, coming back in. We're still favoring this long down in here. Getting bought up a little bit right here, retesting the highs. Retesting the highs, coming back down. Higher low, trying to put in a higher low. I still want to see 98.4. No trade yet. S&P continuing to rip to the upside. NASDAQ pushing back. Some strength in here. Little trigger wave here on our 10-minute. What's our 12-minute saying? 12-minute money flows coming out aggressively. No trade. No trade in my opinion. These are getting bought up though. Volume coming in right now. These are getting bought up right now. These are getting bought up. No trade yet. Trading is waiting. Sorry to say it. Trading is waiting. Is that gonna be my my first book? Trading is waiting. I didn't even get more coffee, guys. I was supposed to get more coffee. I got a pot on. It would take me 2 seconds, but it's market open. Fuck it. Oh no! I swore again, man. I swore again. Scheisenhausen. Bitcoin pushing through VWAP here. Continuation. Pushing through VWAP here. No trade. Little bounce here on the short-term time frames. What's 5 minutes saying? I don't like the 5 minute because everyone looks at the 5 minute. Rejection at VWAP. Bullish divergence. Continuation here. Overextended, pushing up. I feel the FOMO, friends. I feel the FOMO. What are you thinking? Put a 1 in the chat if we're getting long. Put a 2 in the chat if we're going short. I need your help, my friends. You guys let me know. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribing to the channel. Market is open. Looking like we want to push here on Bitcoin. Can it continue to the moon? We'll have to wait and see. God candle incoming. We'll have to see. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. If we close above view up here, I might get long. Just saying. We still got a minute left in this candle. Two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's go. All right. Been waiting to buy Bitcoin at $80. Jesse Galux laughing. Waiting is trading. 236, please do your thing. All right. Investor back in the house. I love your live streams. Indeed, the greatest trading showman on YouTube. Gang. Jobless, man. Thank you for the compliment, man. That's awfully kind of you, bro. I appreciate you. Well, here it goes, man. Here it goes. Closing above VWAP. Now we look for the entry. We got 10 seconds in here coming through. I mean, we haven't had a hate. I want a hater in here, man. I miss the people who are trolls. Can someone just pretend to be a troll or something, man? I know we are a community built on kindness. It's a great candle close pushing up in here. Now we look for the retrace, potential long. Okay. I would wait for it to come back into here. Little sweep and then pop. Sweep and pop. Wick test coming back in. Looking for the wick test. We'll see if we get it right in here. Is it going to hold? Wick test. Here it comes in. Looking for the long. Coming in. Looking for the bounce now. Half a position size. Okay, half a position size. I need to protect myself below that low, right? We'll see if we get the follow through here. Wick test back in here. No follow through. No follow through. Okay, rejection. Will it continue upwards? We'll see. We'll see. No follow through here. NASDAQ bouncing. S&P pumping. Okay, follow through. Looking for follow through here. We're long. We are long. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push you, Nambe Pambe. Don't tell me VWAP's going to act as resistance now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bull div continuation. Yee. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it. Push it to the limit. Stop loss just below this low in here. Half a position size. Looking for continuation trade here. Look at that rejection on the 3-minute. That's why we should have been watching the 3-minute. Can I get above the VWAP? Big rejection off VWAP here. Can we get follow through? Can we get some follow through, please? Thank you. Thank you. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more follow through. Thank you. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Got to push now. You got to push now. You got to get above. You got to get above. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. It's not getting above, guys. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Got to get above VWAP here. Should have been watching that 3-minute candle. That was my mistake. Still has hope. We still have momentum coming up. We still have volume surging in. We have NASDAQ pushing up aggressively here. This is a good sign overall. So there is a lot of things pushing our direction. We need to see it reclaim VWAP here. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Keep pushing. Jeez, what a battle here. What a battle. What a battle. Not really giving us direction here. I'd like to see follow through. 4 seconds till candle close. Yeah, another close below VWAP. This is not looking that strong. We got to go. We got to go. Nice wick down below here. Pushing up. Pushing up. Still in it. Some ugly price action here. No clear direction. NASDAQ. NASDAQ's ripping. This is a good sign. Big battle here with VWAP. This is still possible where we sweep down into here and then bounce. Okay, it's still very possible. I want to see reclaim here. No reclaim happening. Maybe it's stalling out to make us wait. We got the bull div in here. We got the continuation trade in here. The wick test coming back in here. Looking for strength to follow through here. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. We're looking to take this thing at least up to the highs in here as well. At minimum. If it does want to push. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push. Push. Nice push here. Nice push here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. First TP hit. Take half off. Stop loss to entry, baby. Stop loss to entry. Nice trade, everybody. GG's. Utter gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Push it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's how it's done, baby. That's how it's done. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Come and take that high. Come and take that high. Come on. Stop loss at entry. Nice little trade here, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Gang, 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 gang. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. A plus setups. Andreas, another TP hit. Quick $200. $265 so far. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it to the moon, baby. God candle. God candle, man. Here's my sticker of choice, okay? Shed it to you guys. Shed it to the Otter gang, gang. That VWAP stall was kind of scaring me there, guys. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I was like, man, if this either is gonna pop or we're gonna get dropped. It was not risky, but definitely a B setup. Definitely a B setup, not an A. A plus, so full position size, like you were asking before, would be in an area that I've marked out, and I got the confirmations to kind of get long in here. Okay, so I'd be putting on full position size here. Also, half a position size, because look at my stop loss. Okay, so my stop loss is over 0.33. If you know me and you know my trading, okay, I'm looking to take 0.3 to 1%. Okay, so 0.3 stop loss is typically my $300 to make my $900. Okay, so that's my general plan. Is this trade setup? I'm trying to get this every day in the market. Okay, so for me, getting long here, I needed to extend this down to here. Therefore, half a position size allows me to manage my risk properly. Okay, if I wanted to be tight here, it's a different story. But I wanted to give this more breathing room to allow myself some more play within my trading. Okay, so I will go half position size in order to stretch out my stop loss a little bit. Just managing my risk, mitigating this high, continuing to push here on Bitcoin. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang who took the trade with me. Mad love to you guys. Another win, another happy day. You guys are crushing it. Volume coming in. Hopefully we can continue to see a push in here. I just stubbed my toe. You subbed your toe. You subscribed to the channel. 380 people in here. Gang. We're crushing it every single day, man. You guys are crazy. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Another winner. GG's. Let's see some OGs. Gang in the chat. Mad love to you guys. Incredible. We'll see if we do continue to push here. We still have 44x. Canon Gad. 44x, man. 44s. 4s around. You guys are great, man. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Incredible great group of people. This one's ripping, man. Coming up to our highs here. Mitigating the highs. Gonna take I'll be 75% out of this trade if we do come in here. Okay, just looking to make sure we're taking profits along the way. Coming up to the highs here, we'll see at 100,000. We're about to hit 100,000, everybody. This is incredible. What a day to be in the crypto world. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribing if you're new. If you're new here and you want to take your trading further, I mean, we have an amazing Discord. Come over and hang out with us. We'd love for you to come and chill. We be crushing it every single day, giving you guys trade setups on the weekend, live streams, all that stuff. It's only $1 a day. Keep the doctor away. I mean, incredible. Come over here. We have a beautiful sale going on, $1 a day, $30 a month for the membership. We got 4 traders helping you be profitable. We have an amazing group of people crushing the charts, crushing the chats. You guys are incredible. A live stream going on right now from Brewberry. He's absolutely an amazing trader as well. Kyle, a scalp here from our beautiful thesis. Kyle as well, an amazing trader, turning $26 into $3 million like an absolute bomb GG trader as well. I mean, I get excited. What a Monday, man. Great trade, everybody. Great patience. Okay, look at this. Amazing people. Come over and hang out. There's Beautiful RJ. Let's go. Crushing it. Crushing it. Great trading, good risk management, keeping the doctor away. What a beautiful way to start the year off. RJ, congratulations on your gains, man. Looks good on you, man. Looks good on you. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love seeing you guys win. I love seeing you guys win. We've had a slow start to our January, but you know, we're doing good as well. We're doing good as well for our January. So far, so good. Keeping the doctor away. Hey, hey, hey. Slow start, but it's a good start because it is profitable, right? We had a losing day on the first. I scalped my way back into profits. 400, 100, 300, 500. Let's keep going, baby. Let's keep going, right? I mean, no complaints. We just keep stacking them dollars, right? It's all about that risk management, baby. Let's keep going. Let's see if this wants to continue to push. All right, coming in to mitigate this high. I'm gonna take off the rest of that. Okay, we got a guaranteed beautiful trade here. You guys are incredible, man. You guys are incredible. Coming up to mitigate this high in here. Big push for Bitcoin. All right. Guaranteed $430 now. Continuing to rip it to the upside. You guys are incredible. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, 70% out of this trade. Okay, so now it's let it. Wahoo! Let's go. Oh, man. Turning into a home run trade, baby. You guys, man. Woo-wee. Bitcoin, God candle to the moon. Let's go. Oh, man. Hey, who gave you the trade? Wow, this is great, man. You guys are incredible. Good job here on the trade. You guys making money, baby. You guys making money. Let's go, man. Bitcoin God candle coming right up. $100,000 being pierced, like Pierce Broadston, whatever his name is. 007. Bitcoin to the absolute friggin' moon, man. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you from the UK. Thank you for being here. Let's go, baby. You guys are incredible. Gang, gang, gang. Jeanette's in the chat. Albino Rhino. Thank you, my man. Let's go, everybody. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Let's go. That'll do, donkey. You guys are incredible. Look at this thing, man. Sometimes you just gotta position yourselves accordingly, right? I mean, great patience throughout the day. So we'll start doing we're doing a trading journal at the end of the day, right? A beautiful trade this morning. Beautiful trade. Maybe we should have gone full position size. So in reflection, you'd be like, okay, I could have, possibly said full position size here, right? Like I've made my 450, right? Which is half of my take profit for the day, right? So if I'm risking 300 to make 900, right? I've taken 450 out of the market. 430, sorry. I can take more if I wanted to, but I've taken that out of the market, right? So I've taken half of my size out of the market, realized versus unrealized, right? But maybe I could have gone full position size here, right? There's a whole bunch of things to digest. You're never going to be perfect. Maybe I shouldn't have taken profit so early up in here. Maybe I should have only taken a TP1 at the highs, right? You're never going to be perfect at trading. What you're going to be is patient and practice good risk management, okay? That's what you're going to be. Because if you're not that, you're going to get wrecked. Beautiful trade today, everybody. 376 people in here, 174 likes. I think you guys can smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Get the word out. help the channel grow. An amazing group of people here taking the trade on the live stream every Monday to Friday. Jeez, look at this thing go, man. Incredible. Incredible. I'm going to move my stop loss into some profits up in here, probably 99.4. Okay, 99.4. Okay. If you missed the trade, don't worry. There's lots more to go around. Okay. Don't be FOMOing in right now. Coming into key sell walls, key sell areas. Okay. Look, now we look for some sort of topping pattern, right? Where we mitigate and we continue down. I don't know how I drew that fast, but I did it. When you draw it that many times, you know. If you're looking for a re-entry, my first suggestion is always to look for a retest of previous highs. Always. Look for this to, you know, flag out and then go. Okay? Always looking for the retest of previous highs. I wish we took that virtual trade, but, you know, I was busy with family yesterday. Total 3 breaking out right now as we speak. Okay? The virtual trade set up in advance in the Discord, popping off. Quite a nice trade now. Look at that. Amazing group of people, amazing group of traders. Everything trying to push right now. Nice move for Bitcoin. Very nice move for Bitcoin. There's your 2% move for the day. Keep the doctor away. Jeez. Jeez. Well, happy Monday, everybody. Congratulations. Good work. I hate YouTube allows me to like it just once. Good stuff, missed the trade, but looked for the next. Awesome. Let's go. Great show as usual. Smash them likes. Thank you, Steven, for being here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Otter gang, 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 gang. Let's go, baby. Taking the trades, making the money. This thing is going to absolute Valhalla today. Incredible. Incredible. Blasting through our beautiful order block right now. So now we're in an area of complete resistance. We'll see how it does react here. Coming into our box in here. We'll see how it does react. Top of our order block. Continuation seems seems for real right now anyways. No need to mess with this trade. I might take a little bit even more off. Might as well. Might as well. I mean, a big old trade to start off Monday keeps the doctor away. Keeping the doctor away. Secure that $500. Easy 500. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's been a great morning, as usual. You can never plan for days like this. You just want to position yourselves, right? Taking profits early is something that I am working on. Still a little bit, trigger happy. It does save my ass sometimes, but it does deny me of more money. So there's a balance to be found. I haven't fully found that balance yet. However, a beautiful trading day, everybody. Beautiful, beautiful job today. Good patience, good everything. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. I'm going to go get some coffee, kiss my wife, and hug my son. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And I'll see you in the reflection video. If you wouldn't mind going by and dropping a comment in that reflection video coming out later today, that would mean a lot to me. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade.